download this file, upload to this platform, go out with your friends, relax, sleep, come back and collect your earnings. Guys, in today's video, I'll show you a completely free strategy that works all around the world to make hundreds of dollars in pure passive income. This won't take much time, guys, but as always, be patient and stick with me until the end so you won't miss out any key steps while you set up this unique method. So this is one of the two sites we'll be talking about today. This is plrminds.com. Well, they have a rapid growing collection of the newest and highest quality PLR products, guys. PLR Minds is a site where you can find several digital products. As I said, they have a rapidly growing collection of the latest and high quality digital PLR products, all designed to help you build and grow a real online business. And these products include PLR books, graphics, software, videos, articles, website templates, and PLR blogs. And here you can download these products, then edit, rebrand, and resell it and keep 100% of the profits, guys. The specialty of this is you'll be able to download these completely free and with a license to do so, with PLR standing for product label rights. For an example, you can download an ebook and resell it. Even you can customize it to resell as well. You can literally do whatever you want with the products on this website. And don't get a wrong impression, guys. We are not selling anything today, so you don't need any marketing skills or previous experience for this. So first you have to go over to freebies over here. And here you can download free ebooks, free graphics. They are ready-made graphics that you can use for your online projects. Maybe they have ebook covers, landing pages, website headers, mini site graphics packs, headers, and many more, guys. And they also have free videos for you, which you can download for free and use however you want to. So here you'll find videos which mostly consist of video tutorials as seen below, and most of these are actually grouped together and form like a course of some sorts. You find internet marketing, online business, affiliate marketing, how to set up a website, social media marketing courses, webinars, and many more, guys. And they have free templates, free software as well. So in order to get started, you have to go over here and hit this join button. And you don't need this Google lifetime pass, you just get this free membership and click here to register for free. So here you have to give your email address, confirm your email address, and tick this button to confirm that you're not a robot and hit next. And check your mailbox and confirm this link, and this is what you'll get in your mailbox. Click the link to activate your account and you'll be redirected to this. So here you can give your name, choose a username, password, and confirm and hit next. And now we have a free account, and come back to freebies and let's download a video. You can access it here. You can find thousands of videos over here. This video is about Facebook tips, 101 Facebook tips, create a mobile site quickly using Google Sites, how to make your WordPress blog secure. These videos will be helpful for you as well, guys. If you like, you can go through the videos, but for this strategy you don't have to go through these videos. Go over here and hit get it now. So you can go over here and hit this download button, and if not, you can scroll all the way down and hit this download button and download it to your computer. And before moving on to the next step, guys, I highly recommend you download the videos as they will make you the most money by far. In any case, you can download anything, guys, not just videos. So download a few of them and come over to the site that will pay us today. It's called upload-forever.com. And again, upload-4ever.com, not forever.com. And this site is a file sharing free cloud storage. So upload your files safely, withdraw the profits from the various payment methods. And guys, I really hope you guys are getting some value out of this video. If so, like it, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button with notifications on, so you'll be one of the first ones to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And as I said earlier, this is the site that pays us today. The exact way this basically works is when someone clicks to download one of the video courses you uploaded to this site will show them some advertisements before the download starts. ads. So the advertisers pay this site and you will also get a portion of the ad revenue. This is also a win and win situation, guys. The advertisers get their intended traffic, you and this website share the ad revenue, and the person who watches this advertisement gets to download the file you uploaded for free. Yes, for absolutely free. I hope you understood. So whenever they download the files, you will get paid, and the files you upload to this site will stay there forever, which means anyone can download those for unlimited times and you'll get paid in pure passive income. And here you can see the payment proofs from people all around the world. You can go through this, and today is the 25th of July 2021, and see the payment proofs and the payment methods, and you can go through this and see the payment proofs. They have 41,311 pages like this, and in order to get started with this, go over here and hit this make money button. This is a site for profit from uploading files. Profits are calculated on each download. It provides some of the other properties for profit. They offer the best pricing around the world in order to benefit. And here you can see the current profit modes from the site, guys. This is one of the best sites for beginners as these steps are so simple. And you can see the withdrawal options over here. There are so many withdrawal options, guys. PayPal, Payeer, Payza, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neteller, Skrill, Perfect Money, Payoneer, WebMoney. Some of these I haven't even seen before. They have Western Union, Vodafone Cash. And by saying all that, let's go over here and sign up to this site. And here you have to give a username, password, retype it, email. And here you have to choose the payment option, the preferred option you would like to get your money. And also, if you have these social accounts, you can just sign up by one click of a button. And after signing up, this will be your dashboard. From here you can upload the files. This is your account balance. The best part is, even if you earn $1, you can request a payout from them. The minimum payment threshold is $1 and you have 120 GB of space. You can upload files up to 120 GB. So with the storage you have, you can upload hundreds of files here in order to earn a decent amount of money. It has 120 GB, and let's see the file size of the video we downloaded. It's just 8.6 megabytes. 8.6 megabytes, and you have 120 gigabytes. So you can upload millions of files like that. So what you have to do is to come over to PLR Minds, download the files, and also you can come over to freeplrdownloads.com, which is similar to plrminds.com. From this site also you can download files for free. And guess what, now you have 2 free PLR downloading sites, so you can upload thousands of files to appforever.com. And here's the best part, guys. Here you can see your referrals. Okay, I guess this is the best way you can earn money without even uploading files to this website. You can refer your friends to this site and earn commissions when they earn money. So you refer your friends, they come over to this site, they upload files and they earn some money, and you get a commission from the money they earn. You don't get a portion of their money, they will get their money and you will get an extra commission for that. So imagine you get 100 people to this website through your affiliate link. How much money you'll earn? One person earning just $3 a day, all of them will earn $300 a day. Keep in mind, guys, these are just numbers. They may be lesser, they may be higher, they may be the same. It depends, guys. So you can do this. You can share this video with your friends and give your referral link. So you can tell them that, hey, I found this video and this is a great way to make money online, and you can log in with this link and you can give this link to your friends and give my video. Not this link, the link in your dashboard. That will be your affiliate link. This is my affiliate link. I'm not giving this to anyone. You can give this, you can give your affiliate link in your dashboard to your friends with my videos. So you can send this video with your affiliate link to some WhatsApp groups and some Facebook groups. Where else? Wherever you can share this video with your affiliate link and get your friends or whoever the people to this website through your affiliate link, and you'll earn money in pure passive income, guys. And that's it for today. Join my free WhatsApp group, the link down in the description. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. I'll be really happy to help you out. Share this video with your mate, subscribe with all notifications on, like this video. Thanks for watching.